Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever checked your bank account and noticed two different numbers labeled current balance and available balance? What do they mean and why don't they always match? In today's video, we'll break down the key differences, why they matter, and how they impact your spending. Current balance is the total amount of money in your account including all the pending transactions, while available balance is the actual amount you can spend or withdraw factoring in any holds or pending payments. The main differences between current and available balance are pending transactions. If you've made a debit card purchase, the money might still be pending and not yet deducted from your available balance. Deposits and holds. If you currently deposited a check, your current balance may reflect it, but the funds may not be available until the bank clears it. Bank processing time. Bank processes transactions at different speeds. Some payments take hours or even days to update your available balance. So let's say your bank account shows your current balance is $1,000 and your available balance is $800. Why is a $200 difference? Maybe you just paid for groceries and that transaction is still pending, or maybe a deposit you made hasn't fully cleared yet. Either way, the only available balance is what you can safely spend. Understanding the difference is important because if you spend based on your current balance but don't realize some funds are pending, you might overdraft your account. Trying to spend your money that's in your current balance but not available yet can lead to failed transactions, and knowing exactly how much you can use helps with budgeting and avoiding unexpected fees. And that's the difference between your current balance and available balance. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in managing your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.